Hi guys, this is Jordan here from Overland and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna test and review a new drone, the Hoverair X1 Pro Max. So if you follow the channel you already know that I have a drone. It's the DJI Mavic Pro 2, which is a really big drone. But this one is in another category. This one is really small and portable and really easy to set up. Alright, so let's start with a really quick unboxing. And first of all, you have different kits available with the Hoverair X Pro. And as you can see, you have the standard version with only the drone in it. You have the combo version, which I have today, with the charging hub, battery, another battery, the power adapter, and a case for the drone and the accessories. You also have the cycling and skiing combo, which have dedicated mount for handlebars. You also have the beacon, etc. So in the drone box, of the case, the infos and some cable, and as you saw, I already opened it because the charging hub is here, and you got the drone itself here, which is really tiny.
The Bluetooth connection is really easy and straightforward. The first time you'll connect the drone to your phone, you will obviously have some software update to do, but it won't take so long. Once it's finished, the drone is connected to your phone, and with that you have access to every drone mods you can modify. You have the flight settings like duration, distance, altitude, but also the shooting settings if you want to take video, a photo, because you can also do selfies with it, and then the camera settings, which is basically the most important one, where you can change the resolution and frame rate up to 8K and 30 FPS.
Zoom out.
That's pretty awesome.
Hover. 360 degrees spin. Indoor follow. Cycling mode. Ski mode. Dolly track. Bird eye. Orbit. Follow.
Okay, so now we're gonna try the most exciting feature about this drone is the follow without anything to do.
Follow.
So let's try this.
Middle. Follow.
Alright, so as you can see, every function of the drone is pretty nice, and we have a lot of wind today. Not a lot, but some wind, and we'll see on the screen, on the shots, if we can feel it fighting against the wind, or if it's pretty stable and does great in the wind. So the follow mode is pretty neat. By foot it's working well, and something I really want to try for overland action is to follow the car. So I've heard that it's actually not possible because it's kind of facial recognition and you can do that with the car. So we're gonna try to follow me, get in the car and driving the car. We're gonna try to detect the car, so the drone is gonna follow the car and not me. Well, let's just try that. Okay, first test is gonna be a bit weird, but I'm gonna try to get the drone to follow me and then get inside the car and drive off. Let's see what happens.
Middle, follow.
Okay, so as you saw, it didn't work at all. And I just get back of the car, and the drone, you can see it kind of rotates and detects me back again. So it's not working that way. So let's try to make it detect the car instead of me.
Middle, follow. Please hold the device to face the user.
Did you hear that? I'm gonna try again. Device not locked to target. And I don't think you can see it. I'm gonna try again. Look at this. Follow.
Middle, follow. Please hold the device to face the user.
Okay. So if it's not a face, it looked like that if it's not a face, it does not detect anything.
Middle, cycling mode.
Okay, last chance. I'm gonna try the dolly track, which, if I remember well, is the following, but on the side. So if maybe I just show my face on the side through the window of the car, it will work. Let's try that.
Middle, dolly track.
Well, didn't work.
Okay, so new idea. It's mine. Jordan is gonna be on the, how do you call it? Who?
The hood,
The hood,
or the bonnet if you're in the UK.
the bonnet. He's gonna stand here, not stand, but be like on top of it. I'm gonna drive, and so the drone is gonna follow him. Let's do it.
It's working! So I guess you have to stand on the outside of the car for the drone to follow you. Let's turn around. Okay. Back on track. And it's still following. Okay, so that was a fun first test of the Hoverair X1 Pro Max, but as you can see, it's really not designed to follow cars. So for overlanding, it might not be the best. So just let me get my bicycle, my gravel bike, and try it for what it's really intended: sports. And voila, I'm on my bike, my gravel bike, to finally test the Overland drone for what it's supposed to do, which means filming you doing sports. So I choose a bike because we kind of already tested by foot, and now it's the final test by bike. And you can see here how small and convenient it is to bring on a bike ride. And he's following me. Honestly, what it just did is already impressive. Let's push it a little bit more. So we're now gonna test it on a small single track, very narrow, a lot of trees. Let's do that.
Middle, follow.
Okay, so I suddenly heard the drone stop. Because it took a hit on that tree. It's actually pretty impressive because immediately when he hit that branch and fall down, it shut it down completely, and all the protection around the drone, there's no damage at all. So it's really impressive how it just shut down and wait for you. Alright, so for what it's supposed to do, the Hoverair X1 Pro is incredible. How he was able to follow me on those tracks. I was pretty fast on the bike, and we have small turns like this. It's very reactive, and you saw it on camera. The result is awesome. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you choose your drone. It's perfect for sports. It does not work with cars or for overlanding, but hey, it can do anything perfectly, right? So thank you guys for watching, and see you soon.